Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I create this very basic effect using rotate about axis in the material. So this twisting is through the material, rotate about axis. And I'll show you some useful tips that you can use so you can make these type of effects in Niagara. So let's start this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So let's create a Niagara first. And I'll just take this Niagara and fountain FX. And in this one, what I'll do, I'll just remove some modules and I'll use the burst, maybe 10 particles and just once and life infinite. Instead of sprite, I'll take the mesh, and in the mesh, I'll just search static mesh. You can take anything like this character. Let me check the, yeah. So pivot is here, but if it is in center, you can change that in the Niagara. So I'll just use that mesh here. Okay, and it's quite big, so